Hi, let me ask you a question. How long have you been learning English? 10 years? 15? How many grammar rules have you memorized? How many vocabulary lists? But still, when you try to speak, you freeze. You know what you want to say, but your mouth just won't move. You understand English, but you can't speak it. Why? The problem isn't you. The problem is how you've been learning. We were all taught English like math. Study rules, translate, take tests. But language doesn't work that way. Language is something you don't analyze. It's something you absorb. Just think about it. Babies listen for over a year before they say even one word. They don't study grammar. They don't write. They don't translate in their head. They just listen. Every single day. And then they speak. Fluidly. Naturally. Without effort. So why do we learn English in the opposite way? Maybe that's why we can't speak. Let me tell you what science says. Number one, we learn language by understanding what we hear. That's it. Not by memorizing grammar, not by repeating drills. We acquire language when we get meaningful input. Stephen Krashen, a famous linguist, proved this. Number two, listening helps your brain think in English. You stop translating. You start recognizing patterns. You begin to understand ideas, not just words. And number three, listening makes your speaking more natural. You learn how real people speak, how they use rhythm, tone, and emotion. You don't speak like a textbook anymore. And number four, listening takes away fear. There's no pressure, no tests, no need to be perfect. You just listen, absorb, let it flow. So here's what you should do. Forget grammar. Stop writing and memorizing rules. Start with listening. Only listening. Every day. Listen to simple stories, short conversations. Repeat them again and again. Don't try to understand every word. Just relax. Let English enter your ears, like music. Soon you'll start to speak, without thinking, without fear, and without translating. This is how language is meant to be learned. Naturally, joyfully, without pressure. So if you're ready to try this new way, hit subscribe. On this channel, you don't study English. You don't force yourself. You just listen and let the language come to life. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to listen again and again.